Think of a brokerage account as not just your gateway to the stock market, but also the bond market, currencies, commodities like gold and precious metals, and pretty much anything under the sun that's publicly traded. So whatever these finance guys are making money on, you can too. Hey, what's up guys? Thanks for tuning back in, and if you're new, make sure you hit the subscribe button so that way you can check out weekly posts on personal wealth management and market insights. My name is Ash, certified financial planner, bringing you the knowledge, perspective, and resources from my world to help you live a better financial life. So today's video is on how to start investing, and more specifically, what is a brokerage account and what you'll need to open one, and other tidbit pieces of information that's important to know. To start things off, a brokerage account enables you to trade stocks, mutual funds, ETFs, index funds, bonds, and a lot more. And the nice thing about brokerage accounts is that you are in the driver's seat. So that means you decide what to trade, when to trade, and how much. These are what we call in the industry self-directed accounts, because you as the investor facilitate the investment decisions. These accounts are also commonly referred to as taxable accounts, which generally means the dividends, gains, and interest that you have on these accounts are taxed annually. So now that you have a little background on what a brokerage account is, here are some details that you'll need when it comes to opening one up in the United States. Number 1, full name and date of birth. And number 2, social security number. And number 3, physical address. This is important because your brokerage company needs to know which state you reside in. You can use a PO box for mailing purposes, but many brokerage firms require a physical address. Whichever broker you use will also ask questions about where you work, how much money do you have, what's your salary, and these are pretty much profiling questions required by regulation laws. So don't worry if you don't work or have much money in assets, they will not decline your account simply because you're not working or have much money. So in a nutshell, you really only need those 3 key pieces of information, and here are some important facts to know about a brokerage account. I mentioned this earlier, but they are taxable, which basically means that gains, interest, and dividends are taxable every year. Next, account setup only takes about 5 to 10 minutes and can be done 100% online by a number of different brokerage companies. Also, when you open your account, there's usually no minimum deposit required or minimum balance that you have to keep in your account. Next, there are no fees. Self-directed brokerage accounts generally have no stock trading fees or account fees. However, there are some transaction fees that may still apply, so definitely check with your brokerage company on that. Also, you can access your brokerage account anywhere, anytime, because every major brokerage company has a mobile app. Just keep in mind that trading hours are Monday through Friday, 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Lastly, novice investors should reject the margin feature on your account if you have the option. Margin is basically an account feature that enables an investor to borrow to invest. In other words, to take out a loan. I do not recommend this for investors who are starting off, and if you have the capability, definitely reject this during the account opening process. My thoughts on margin when clients ask if they should have it: you want to invest with the money you have, not with the money you want. Drops mic. Now here's a quick look at some of the best brokerage companies to use when starting a brokerage account. And I selected these on a number of key metrics, from ease of doing business to the little to no fee aspect, research tools, accessibility, and platform robustness. Is robustness even a word? Okay, how well they execute your transactions. So in a nutshell, your brokerage account is a key ingredient in launching your investment journey. So hopefully this gave you a good overview of what a brokerage account is and how to get started. If this was helpful, be sure to comment, like, subscribe, and share with those that you think might find this information useful. I'm bringing videos on personal wealth management and market insights every week, so be sure not to miss out. Also share this with a friend that you think can be my friend, and I would hella appreciate it. I just want everyone to eat and get their monies up. Thanks for tuning in on behalf of the Money and Power team, where our objective is to provide you with the tools, knowledge, and resources to help you live a better financial life. My name is Ash. I'll catch you guys next time.